concrete was probably 25 years old roughly, and it was just stained from the dogs. It was just very blah looking, and it just needed somewhat refreshed. So I thought about power washing it, but I thought, no, I want something a little bit more cosmetic. So I just looked online and I saw Pavescapes. So I had them come out just to see what they thought. And they were great. They came out, they gave me some ideas. They didn't have to demo the concrete. The Pavescapes came right on top of it. They were very patient with me, picking out color choices and so forth. So I took a chance and I booked them, and they were awesome. They came, they didn't stop until the work was done. They were clean, the workers were so respectful. They were very meticulous, and I mean, it turned out great. We were very, very happy with it. Prior to this, we had a lot of red brick all around the pool, which was kind of dated. And they were actually able to go right on top of the cement with little destruction and little mess. It was a great fit. It looks brand new. It just looks so much more appealing than it did before. They were just very respectful. They were clean. They always cleaned up when they were done. They always kept us in the loop as far as how long it was going to take. And now that it's all finished, we're great. I spend more time out here. I love when the sun hits it. It has different color tones to the brick that I choose or to the stone that I chose. It's just more appealing out here. You know, we always sit out here and we have dinners a lot on Sundays, and it's just a pretty place to sit. Absolutely, I would recommend them. I couldn't have been more happy. I would give them 5 out of 5 stars. I mean, I did take a chance because I just went online. I didn't have referrals from anybody. Perfect choice. Couldn't be more happier. So my husband and I would just want to thank Pavescapes. Thanks for your hard work. Thanks for your time and commitment and your patience with me with choosing everything that I wanted, and we just couldn't be more happier. Great company.